game. Game lahat. Okay. Pero ang tanong, ano itong ginawa nyo rito?
Well, ito yung nakikita nyo nung araw na puro ambang, alikabok, dispute, with the merging of funds and utilization of local funds and national government funds. Here we are today offering the space, created 1 hectare of open green space for our seniors, pet lovers, and the community of Panta. It's the city who will maintain and put security on the area. Awa naman ng Diyos, as you can see, well secluded yung area in the middle of major intersection. And also, makita rin sa kaliwa, Chairman Artes punta pa pedestrian stoplight in the opening. Tapos may access din sa overpass doon sa Center Island sa dulo. And some parkings, small parking area, so para yung mga bibisita sa mall.
Nabanggit nyo sino mga gumastos dito?
DPM, Office of the President, NMDA, and City of Manila.
Ano oras po Office of Ano oras po open po?
Open lagi. Para karinderya.
Sir, after
Bukas kahit sino gusto kumain.
Sir, after years of delay, paano po ito naman?
Oo.
Kasi di ba January lang tayo nag-ground?
Yes. Walang delay. I'd like to give credit to MMDA. Finishing it on time. Kahit meron this. I'm happy na mabibilis na yung magawa. And another unique in this area, may mapapansin kayo ng tumbler or parang container. Because those are the catch basin, water catchment for skyway. Tuwing kagulan. Yung nakikita nyo yung tubo na akala mo shower, dire-diretso sa kalsada. Dito sinasalo. Tapos may drainage system to for sa loob lang ng park. Hindi ilalabas sa tubo sa labas. So that we can use the water back to the plants. In a good day.
Ngayon, nabanggit kayo sa push na may garbage crisis sa bansa. Dito po sa Manila, may garbage crisis.
Well, I want you to be the judge of it. As far as Manila is concerned, there is.
Update ng mga
And
flood.
before I became mayor, there is garbage crisis.
Update ng flood. Gaano kabilis na wala o...
Ay, salamat naman sa Diyos. Now, let me take this opportunity to thank all 896 barangay officials. Barangay in the city of Manila. As you all know, upon assumption of office last July 2025, I created Executive Order number 3, wherein we are directing all barangays every Saturday to conduct cleaning the drainage of our city. At that time, wala pa halos sa bagyo. And I have to give it to them also because they've been doing it for the past 1 year and the city government. And we pick some drainage and within our resources, awa naman ng Diyos. May challenges pa rin kami sa top avenue like PGH area, some portion of Calao and UN, some portion of Cabad Santos, and some portion of Spania. But generally, we're very happy. Medyo naligtas kami itong bagyo. Pero marami pang challenges. At malayo pa kami. Malayo pa kami sa mga pagawaing bayan para dumating naman ang araw, makatingin naman ang taong bayan ng tuyong kalsada sa panahon ng tagos. I mean, when I say tuyo, metaphorically, walang baha.
Nakita mo yung dagat ng ilog, ano yung basura no sa Redemptorist. Dapat na bang palakasin ng batas o sa mga...
Basta kami, pag may bagyo, may ulan, yung palo ng galing ng Batangas, Bataan, Pampanga, Bulacan, papalo sa Roas Boulevard. And one of the areas is Paseco, on top of the Roas Boulevard side. So kami naman, part na ng buhay namin as City Government of Manila. Kalawit lang kami ng kalawit ng solid materials na lumulutang after the rain sa aming mga pantalan. or Dalampasigan.
Mayor, itong nadagdagan pa masyado.
We continue to create open green space. Ayun talaga, kaliwat kanan dito. Ewan ko kung napapansin niyo yung Ruas Boulevard. Napupuno na ng bamboo. As we have promised the people that we're going to plant 100,000 bamboo trees or bamboo grass in the city of Manila, all over. So, whether it is 20 square meter, 100 square meter, 1,000 square meter, we will reclaim those area and to be converted as open green space. And the reason behind is, alam niyo naman ang Maynila, panig-panaw na sasakyan dito, labas-pasok. So, we are heavy in carbon, and the only way to do it and address it is to plant more trees. Because yan ang number one na pagkain ng halaman. Marami sa Maynila. So we have to put more trees to have a fresher air and for the next generation to have a healthier air.